Good morning, you guys. I posted yesterday about my elderberry gummies that turned out delicious. And my goodness, so many of you want to know how to do this. And so this is new to me. I actually had never even taken elderberry syrup prior to this this year. And so because I was intimidated that it seems too hard and complicated and how do you even start? And so I'm here to tell you that it's so super simple. And I think one of the reasons why it's really, really simple is because I started with a DIY elderberry kit. So it was already here for me. It came with directions, and so it's fail proof. This is from Connie Young. I highly recommend. She's amazing. Organic, and her website is lostrivernaturals.com. It comes in this cute little pouch, and this makes a bunch of batches. I think I'm on like my 4th or 5th batch, and I'm just getting through it. So if you start with a kit, it takes a lot of the guesswork out, because I did purchase a big thing of elderberries on Amazon. However, the kit that Connie sends you has elderberries, echinacea, angustifolia root, echinacea purpurea leaf, root, licorice root, ginger root, black peppercorns, hibiscus, marshmallow root, and clove bud. So you get a lot more different healing herbs in Connie's rather than just straight elderberries. And I know other people out there make kits, so find a kit. That's my biggest suggestion. So I already made my elderberry. It's delicious. You can just literally have some with a spoon every day, like liquid, but I wanted some gummies, and so I made the gummies. Okay, so let's see. I mean, directions to make the elderberry syrup, you literally follow directions. I'm not even going to go into it because it's fail proof if you follow the directions. So once you have your syrup, then we can chat how to make the gummies. So what you're gonna need, and actually someone in the comments yesterday, I haven't gotten through all the comments because there are so many, someone said to add some tart cherry juice, and I thought that sounded amazing. So I'm going to, and see how it goes. So I'm wondering if I should add it to my full thing. I'm gonna add it to my mixture in here. Okay, so what I did was I Googled elderberry gummies, and I found a great recipe. I screenshot it, and so I can't give credit to whoever's this is, but it's amazing and it worked. I've been making these for a few batches now, and so they're so good. So you need a glass container or silicone mold. So this is all I had. So I know someone's like, don't you have anything better than that? And I said no, but I did order little gummies, little bears. So, because these are kind of big, but like I do one gummy a day. And, but you could have like 3 or 4 gummy bears if you make them. But there are cute molds on Amazon, so you can check those out. You need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and I guess that's to grease this. I don't grease it, and it comes out fine. 1 cup of elderberry syrup, so that's what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna pour out a cup of the elderberry. And I'm actually, to this, I'm gonna add the splash of cherry juice. Okay, so I have 1 cup of the elderberry syrup. I'm gonna add in a splash. Okay, and now you need 1/4 cup of gelatin powder. So Dacia says, hi, what is the benefit of the tart cherry juice? I think just flavor. I think just it tastes good. Tart cherry helps with sleep too, says Mariah. Oh, cool. I mean, I think it's just gonna taste really good. So I mean, I have these ones that I made the other day that are just straight elderberry, and I do use some honey. So in the instructions, it tells you to use honey, and so use honey or else they don't taste as good. So a little bit of sugar, I think is necessary. So I use the Vital Proteins beef gelatin, and so this is what I use in my bone broth also. For bone broth, I put 2 scoops. It comes with a scooper. In my bone broth, I put 2 of these scoops in, and it gelatinizes. And so this is what I use for the gummies. Some of you are saying, what's the vegan or vegetarian alternative? I don't know. So if anyone knows, put it in the comments, but there must be something like a fruit pectin that gelatinizes. I just don't know what it is. Okay, so we're gonna need 1/4 of a cup of this. 1/4 of a cup. I need to order more. I just ordered this on vitalproteins.com. Okay, and actually probably a little more because I added a little of that cherry juice. Okay. Oh, I could have gotten this ready. I also need 1/2 cup hot but not boiling water. So 1 second. Okay, here we go. Step 1, grease molds. I'm not going to do that. Step 2, place 1/4 of the cooled elderberry. So this is cooled. It's been sitting overnight. So I'm going to pour in 1/4 of a cup. Okay. And then, so it says place 1/2 cup of cooled elderberry syrup in a 2-cup measuring cup and quickly whisk in the gelatin powder. I'm just going to stir it in. Okay, there it goes. So this is 1/4 of the elderberry and the gelatin powder. Step 3, add the 1/2 cup of hot water and stir until smooth. Okay. And then step 4 is pour the rest of the elderberry syrup. Dacia says, this is my fave and go-to recipe. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll check it out. Maybe, I mean, this might be, oh, no, this is, okay. So if you order from Connie, if you order this from Connie Young, her lostrivernaturals.com, it comes with the directions, but I can post the directions that I'm using. But yeah, there's lots of great recipes out there. Okay, so now I'm putting in the rest of the elderberry. I'm wondering if I need to put in some more. I didn't add that much cherry juice, probably like a tablespoon or 2. Then it says, number 5, pour into molds and refrigerate for 2 hours until completely firm. Pop out of molds and store in an airtight container with parchment paper between layers. So, I think this is it. It's so easy. Someone was saying on my post yesterday that elderberry syrup is dangerous, and if not made correctly, so I don't know anything about that. If anyone has any info on that, I would love to know it. But like, this is amazing stuff for flu season. If you're nervous about flu season, right? Not even a season. Just make sure you up your vitamin D, you keep hydrated, you keep your sugar down. You should be fine and survive flu season without a flu shot. Okay, so here we go. So I did not grease these molds. I should probably not be doing it standing up. All right. Yeah, these are big cubes. I don't even know why I got these molds in the first place, but I'm excited about my little bears coming. I need to put it down. Okay, so these are going to be refrigerated. Connie, if you're on here, you can post your website. If not, I can post it, but I know there's a lot of you out there who do the elderberry thing. So you can't really see it. I don't want to tip it, but so this is going in the fridge 2 hours, and then I'll pop them out, and then I'll have a huge stash. So we're going up to Tahoe next week, and so I'll be good on the elderberry front. But these are super kid friendly. If you add enough honey, they're actually sweet, and now I'm really excited about that I added a little bit of the tart cherry. So let's see what comments I see. Refrigerating the honey for infant. Oh, maybe it's the honey in infants. Maybe, I don't know. I've never heard of elderberry being dangerous. It's amazing. We'll try the gummies. Yeah, make the gummies. It's not hard as long as you have a gelatin. I know there's other you know, gelatins out there that you can get at Whole Foods, but I like Vital Proteins. There's also a Vital Proteins that I put in smoothies and shakes, and this could, or dissolved in coffee, or this is just extra collagen protein that I like. But this one specifically really gelatinizes. I heard it's not good to take as a preventative, but it good as to take if you're sick and fighting something. Interesting, Antonetta. Wow. I don't know. I've been taking one gummy a day, and I hope I'm not hurting myself. I haven't heard anything negative. But that's gummies, that's it. If you start with a kit, the elderberry syrup is no problem. You follow simple directions, you get some amazing tasting elderberry syrup, and the gummies, same thing. I'll post it in the comments below. And you can make, Mariah says you can make it with maple syrup. Okay, that would be delicious too. Is the gelatin vegan? This particular gelatin is not vegan, it's beef. So if anyone has any recommendations for vegan, let me know. I was taking little elderberry gummies from Garden for Life before, and it was like $35 for this like little pack of gummies. And I mean, Garden of Life got sold out to Nestle also, so I'm excited that I don't have to support them, but that I can make my own. But theirs are vegan, and so they must, I don't know what kind of fruit pectin they use to gelatinize everything. All right, guys, hope you have a great day. Post any questions below. I'm happy to answer them, but these are going in the fridge, and we're going to be gummied up for a while. All right, hope you guys have a good one. Take care. Bye.